Hey guys, let's see how to enable your Snapchat apps. So let's get started. First of all, select your Snapchat apps and tap on here. And now tap on Snapchat profile picture top left corner. And then tap on Snapchat gear icon top right corner. Scroll down and see here is a option of apps appearance. Tap on here and select always dark and then tap on restart now and tap on your Snapchat profile. See here, finally dark mode enable of your Snapchat apps. I hope you can easily enable to your Snapchat dark mode. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thanks.